Nope. That was not intentional. There you go. I keep forgetting that I'm a touchscreen.
Ade. That's... Is there like a link to the stream somewhere?
I'm getting to that. I need to make sure everything is okay before I send the link places. I need to make sure it's not broken. I have both of my water bottles at my side. The server I'm in just to promo myself. Hello, one viewer, that is probably me.
Ow, my neck.
Time to open Twitter.
Perks, 50 additional layers, 7 layers, no perks from behind. Pass through enemies, that's 5 attacks.
Oh, the theme should be announced. Deeper and deeper. We have our theme, my friends. Theme has just been announced. Did I spell the word deeper correctly? Let's check. Yes, it just looks weird once you start staring at it. Okay. No, it's minuscule. No, it's minuscule. Okay. No.
All right, I'm here.
Theme was announced. Theme is deeper and
Yay.
deeper.
Deeper and deeper.
And we are live.
Oh, cool.
Time to make Undertale.
Fuck you.
Keep swearing to a minimum, please.
No.
It's Twitch.
It's literally Twitch.
Minimum. Please. Not for the sake of it being Twitch. It's for the sake of my aesthetic.
Oh my god. Then why did you bring us?
Because one of you is my programmer, and the other one...
Where the hecky heck is... I'm just gonna put it in, do you have a place for this yet?
A place for... what?
A chat. Like a text channel?
Yes. A text channel for...
things?
For us, scroll down to the bottom, and there should be jam buds.
You should put this this call over
I
there.
know I should put it there. It's took me too long to move.
Apparently, like, my profile picture moves on our stream, and so all that I can say is ade ade. Ade.
Dame, dame. Okay, that's a drop pile that I'm hosting.
Okay.
I am playing Shade, and this is a blast.
Okay, we're moving slowly. We're getting there.
Are you finding unlocks Shade?
No, I'm playing Shade.
Yeah, you finally unlocked Shade.
Yeah, at level 12. Sorry, I thought you said playing along with one.
Okay, time to open. I already had.
It's the equivalent. Teleports behind you. Yeet.
So, I remember seeing this thing on Unity a couple years back. That was it was an advanced course on like randomly generated caves.
Okay.
Well, that's convenient. Wait, you guys making something in 3D then?
I can't
remember if it was in 3D or 2D.
We can use checking. We can use like public domain assets, correct? Or do we have to, like, since we're doing jam version?
You can use public domain, but if you use public domain, you have to exempt yourself from that category that uses the public domain.
But what if you take the model?
You could use public domain,
but then
you can use public
redo
domain
the textures.
I do believe that still goes against their system.
Well, time to open PicoCAD because that's the only thing I can use.
I know Blender. It's not the end of the world, but also I'm unsure of the.
I think the safest bet is pixel art.
What, you walk around a 3D environment and you get stuck into 2D RPG fights?
No, I don't know what the hell we're doing, and I'm still trying to find whether or not that cave generation was in 2D or 3D.
Can I have the room code, please?
Oh, does it require a code?
Draw pile?
Yeah.
Yes, it requires, the session URL or a room code.
The fuck is that? Long noise short. But like, the title is LD Jam.
It can't take the title.
Okay, then where's the session ID?
Somewhere? Or
I
the
needed to
room
make
code.
coffee today, but I didn't because apparently it kills me.
Okay,
I could also
this
take your
session.
host address.
Posting it. I could list it as.
We can do Aggie.io just for convenience.
No, this is better.
I know.
Wait, is it the ID alias is what you're looking for?
Aggie.io.
How about no? Because that doesn't save very well. This works better.
Understandable.
Hold on. Let me throw a fucking dedicated server on my fucking Raspberry Pi.
Cool. But let's write this up for stream. I don't care if I spell anything right.
But I do.
Alright. Now I'll just add this to the pseudo group.
So many tabs.
Alright. Now I'm gonna go and SU over to draw pile. And CD over to the home directory. And make a dedicated server. Alright.
How long do you guys have to do this anyway?
72 hours.
Yep.
72?
72.
I have good.
I mean, all I'm saying is that, like, it screams roguelite, the theme, so.
Oh yeah, for sure. But
Yeah.
like,
Again,
Do any of you have the energy to code one?
I've coded a roguelike before.
again,
Really?
but
What'd you
also
Yeah,
other
All Rats
ideas.
was technically a
What's that other one? Is it the Purgatory one?
Did I make a purgatory game? I made a game where you sacrifice people to Satan.
That's it. Cult Court or something.
Yeah, it was great.
It took me like fucking 10 minutes to figure out how to play it because the book tutorial wasn't obvious.
What engine are we using?
Good question.
Notepad.
You know what I
Yes,
suggest?
Notepad. Unity.
Godot.
Why the fuck would I use Godot when I've literally never used Godot before, and I have so much experience in Unity?
Because I know more Godot than not, and its native language is very similar to Python, of which I know you know.
Okay.
And I'm more used to its animation tools than I am with Unity's animation tools. Plus, it doesn't have that icky before game watermark, which makes me angry.
Oh my god. What is it
It's
with you
how
and
they make their
watermarks?
fucking money. It's literally just advertisements.
Plague, did watermarks, like, kill your family?
Godot is also open source and forever free under an MIT license, you ding.
Yes, that's because it's worse than Unity.
It's very powerful for what it does, and I know how to use it in terms of animation.
I'll
I
look
know.
at it. Because I'm doing this with you, I will do it.
Plus my computer.
Because okay, this may sound rude, but I'm a lot more flexible than you when it comes to these types of things.
I know.
So I'll go ahead and download Godot right now.
Also, I don't want to try to download Unity while on stream as well. Like,
yeah, no, it's fine. Mono
Streaming
version.
anyway.
I mean, I use VS Code.
Visual Script? Oh yeah, Godot has that.
Like support for it, Studio Code?
Visual Studio, yeah. It has CSS, GD Script, which is similar to Python, a Visual Script code.
Let's grab the standard version, not the mono version, because Is there a difference? Like, what's the mod? It just has C# support?
Yeah, I think.
I mean, C# is basically just Microsoft's Java, don't at me.
Oof. I have no clue what that means, but I'm going to act like I do.
Java was a very, very nice, or is a very, very nice object-oriented programming language, and C# is basically just Java, but like with Microsoft branding all over it. Anyways, it's nice. I don't like if I don't get the mono version, can I not program in C#?
Let me check the documentation.
Because, like, I guess I don't mind using Godot script, it's just I might be more comfortable in a C# environment.
Okay. I suggest you get the mono. I could just send you...
Is there, like, literally just no difference between the two? It's just one has more features than the other?
You need Visuos... Do you have the mono SDK thingy?
Mono SDK,
Or Visual Studio Build tools.
Should have something like that, it'll be fine.
Then you can just get the mono, but I got the standard version.
Okay, well, let's hope that they're fucking compatible, because if they're not,
I think the way to make the sprite sheets, and I think I could make sprite sheets and just send them to you if they don't have any programming on them. I can animate.
Right.
Like, I think the issue comes in with the scripting.
Yeah, I can see that. Anyways, oh my god, VS Code is so much better than VS Studio, holy crap. Why did it take me so long to do this? Anyways, back to getting a dedicated server up and running. So I just need to run, let's go ahead and nano the README file. Alright, here we go. Oh, I don't have a domain. I've been thinking of buying a domain, actually. Kinda want one. But in the meanwhile, you'll just be joining my public IP, which I will send to you
Thank you.
once I get everything set up. So let's see here.
How long is this fucking raid?
Long.
At least they added stream tools to mobile. Oh, I need to change the title. We could always do a hell theme.
Yeah, maybe like a Dante's Inferno.
I think it's supposed to go
comedy.
down though, right?
Yeah. Dante's Inferno goes down.
I always thought I always thought Dante's Inferno was like a target.
It's like a target that also goes down.
Yeah, like, no, it can totally work as a pit. I just always thought of it as like a dot.
The evil dot.
Just admittedly much less cool, so.
Why are you such a terrible thing?
We can do a thing with the person having an existential crisis.
Plague, you're the last person who needs to be designing a game about that.
I'm the best person to be designing a game like that.
Yes, but you'll start crying halfway through development.
And?
It's not wrong.
That's not productive. Get to work.
We're just coming up with ideas.
I would be a fucking great CEO. That's not productive.
We could do
They're
funny
like
slime
sobbing.
game about mines. Funny slime game.
So it always have to loop back to ours.
I don't want to make a funny slime game because that's reliant off of people kind of knowing the lore, and this needs to hit a large audience.
Again, this is the point of which we're just spewing ideas from our brains.
Why not like a sewer system?
That's why I said funny slime game.
That's not a sewer system, that's a mine.
The place you go when you perish is the sewers, you silly.
There's nothing in
We're
the
not
sewers,
doing
they're
a
dead people.
funny slime game.
Okay. But we're
Because
keeping sewers.
no one understands what it is.
We can just make it green.
Ocean existential horror.
Cthulhu, Call of Cthulhu has a lot of like descending themes to it.
Good book.
I've been reading it. It's good.
Dude, you should pick up his collection.
I should pick up his collection, but I've just been reading Call of Cthulhu.
I'm going to write
I
down
think my
not
favorite
Pog
is the,
Lovecraft.
I think the Witch's House is probably my favorite.
Yeah.
Can't remember that's even the correct name though, so take that with a grain of salt.
Frank.
Go and create a new project. This is the 46th Ludum Dare?
Yeah, this is the 48th Ludum Dare.
Ludum Dare.
Deeper and deeper elevator shaft.
Yeah, an elevator. Maybe like, something like that.
Elevator simulator.
Elevator simulator, yeah.
Press the button to go down.
I can make some really terrible elevator music in Tracker program.
That could work. I could do ominous. I can do ominous screeching.
Elevator simulator.
Elevator simulator 69.
420. Elven Sphere,
Hog. Alright. I'll use OpenGL 3.0.
54 versus 59.
As for the draw pile server, it's split up into like 7 different programs that need to be running simultaneously, and I hate it.
I could just send you the MS Paint file that I'm using to write things down on stream.
I'm doing this. I bought a server just to do shit like this.
Cole, yeah. Okay, there.
I have a problem.
It's like,
What would that be?
Cole, there's a simple solution to this. Cole, you can stop.
I have a Raspberry Pi, and you can't stop me.
Cole, this is an intervention.
Cole, calm down. Calm the fuck down. Calm.
I can make my SSH use keys instead of passwords.
All of my family's interventions essentially become like the Always Sunny one in about 5 minutes.
God, I'm sitting here. I really should have set this up before.
That's why I got the best and most simple solution. MS Paint.